Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 18th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, make your own decisions. So Tesla, closed up $1.04, 0.18%, closed at 577 and 87. Post-market, we are down 1.26. Let's look at this here. So remember, we have a support at 560 that we have had for a while. We have a resistance at 595, the red line. Support, resistance. Support prevents the price to go down. Resistance resists the price from going up. And we have a green candle, so the close of the day is higher than the opening of the day. The open of the day is at the bottom of the rectangle for a red candle, and then the open is at the top of the rectangle for a red candle. So basically, we have a long wick at the top here, a small wick at the bottom, so there's some pressure. The stock tried to go up and then was pushed down. And I like the fact that we are confirming our support and resistance. So the resistance at 595 has been respected. The stock touched it during the day. And the support at 560, the stock touched it. So we are in a congestion zone. So the stock is caught between a support and a resistance. Sometimes the support and resistance are very far apart and the stock goes up and down like this. But sometimes the support and resistance are so tight together that the stock, does not have a lot of place to move. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. So let's start at 9:30 here. So 9:30. We opened here, went down a little bit, then shut up really far. And then the second hour, we touched the 595 resistance, but then the stock could not go higher. So this means that at 595, people did not want to buy Tesla as much as people that wanted to sell Tesla. So 595 is a trigger price for people to sell Tesla more than buy it. So basically, we tried at 10:30 to cross 595. We did not succeed. Then we tried again at 11:30 and we even closed down lower. And then we kind of went sideways, and we could have tried again, but no, the stock went quite a bit down, then was pushed up a little bit. But then it seems like the sellers or the selling pressure won, and the stock is going down to this middle portion of the channel. So I think I had drawn it. So we can see that there's a localized little resistance and support here in the middle. Let me put it in gray. So we see that it was used as resistance here, boom, boom, support here, boom, 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 then resistance, and now support. Okay, now support here at, so this resistance I'm talking about is at 578. So 578 is the middle of the congestion zone, and the stock is reacting to it. It's sometimes getting limited by it on the upside and sometimes on the downside when it touches it. Let's look at the indicators briefly for the hourly chart. So stochastic is going way down fast. So we are at 47, and the DMI is still bearish with the red line over the green line. That's a very indicator to understand. If the green line is above the red line, then it's a buy, and if it's the opposite, it's a sell. And I just wanted to tell you something here. So if you look at what happened on May 14th and earlier. So we went down here and we touched our 560 support, went up, and it looked like we were going to cross this 595 resistance. But the stochastic was not super strong. The stochastic was under 50 and the DMI was bearish. So what did happen? The stock got rejected and we went back down to 560. Now this time we went up again to 595. Look at the stochastic, stronger stochastic because of stronger green candles. So there were bigger buying pressure here than right here. So we can tell that because of the strength of the stochastic. Stochastic went up to 95, super strong. The MACD was bullish also, but then the DMI was saying, no, I'm still red, I'm still red, I'm still red. So it's not true that Tesla is turning bullish on the 1 hour chart. And look at what happened. Tesla did not become bullish. It caved down under 595. So this is just another example of why I like to use the DMI to really tell you when it's time to go long or go short, because look at this. We could have been tempted here with this nice with these nice bullish candles that, well, yes, of course we are going to cross 595. The DMI says no, I'm still red, so this is not going anywhere. So so based on this 1 hour chart and the stochastic, I would say that Tesla is going to do a little bit of this once more time. And maybe this one last time it tries to do 595. I think the DMI might be more ready to show a green line to maybe indicate that the stock might go up and cross 595. This is a possibility. So this is from the hourly perspective. So that's a possibility. Will it happen? I don't know, but this is a possibility. Then let's look at the indicators. I'm going to push myself over. Let's look at the indicators on the daily chart. So stochastic is at 9. Super low, super low. So not much strength right now on the daily chart. And not much in the day on the 1 hour chart either. So so far, based on what I see, Tesla might be staying close to 560 for maybe a day or 2 or 3, unless something new comes up in terms of news. This is the thing. Stocks move in patterns. When we identify the patterns, we try to make those patterns work for us, or try to adapt our trading strategy based on the patterns that we see. But we cannot help that a news out of the blue that would say Tesla is getting sold at $1,000 per share. This won't happen. But if it would happen, then the stock would just balloon up to 1,000 a share, and we could not have predicted that, and there is no way that the indicators could have shown that. So indicators and support and resistance show the current thinking, but when there's a new thinking, a new perception in the market, then things might change. So this is why nothing is for sure in the stock market. Nothing's for sure, and you need to be open to that. We can make a lot of money in the stock market, but we can also lose money. So if you are a conservative person in terms of your financials, put your money in the bank or put your money elsewhere. But if you want to have an edge over people that put their money in the bank, then then if you gain knowledge about technical analysis, this is one way of helping you get ahead of everybody else. And also, I'll just end with this. Each time you make money on the stock market, well, basically somebody lost money. So or lost an opportunity to make that money. So it's really a zero-sum game. It's not a fight, but it's a competition. Okay, so stochastic at 9, super low. MACD going down with double negative, minus 31 and minus 20 for the 2 lines, and DMI, very big distance between the green and red lines. So this means that DMI won't be showing a positive outlook for Tesla for a while. So Tesla might be going up for a while, and then I doubt that this move up will be the good one. So I think if there's a move up, I don't think it's gonna last. I think the stock is going to go down, and then if there's a second move up at some point, then I would tend to trust that second move up or third move up better than the first one. But then we can, if you subscribe, I produce a Tesla video every single day. So we are going to check together every single day what are the indicators telling us. And this is a way to reduce the risk of investing in the stock market. So some people invest in the stock market only looking at the stock price. Oh, Tesla is low, I should buy. Yes, you can buy if Tesla is lower, but you could have bought here on February 10th at 841, and you could have said here, oh, Tesla is lower, I should buy at 714, and then it went down to 560. So was that a great idea to buy the dip? No, it's not a great idea to buy the dip unless you understand the big context. So this dip at 560 was a great buy afterwards, because we can see, yes, it went up afterwards. And right now, is this a great idea to buy Tesla now? You can buy Tesla now, hoping that it's going to move up, but I tend to prefer to see a move up before getting into the move, so that I follow a trend instead of just flipping a coin saying Tesla is going to, I bet Tesla is going to go up. It's better to let Tesla start going up. First move, as I said, is riskier, but the second or third move, and then your chances of making money are higher when the stock is already going in the right direction, because stocks tend to have an inertia. When they start to move in one way, when it's a significant way, then there's a better opportunity to make money. So enough rambling. Tell me in the comments, what do you like most about what I tell you every single day? Is it the 1 hour chart? Is it the daily chart? Is it the principles of investing? Is it the indicators? Is it the whole thing and how everything relates together? Because that's the hard part. Let's face it. That's the hard part, to have everything coalesce into a recipe. So there are lots of ingredients. All of the indicators are ingredients. The support and resistance are ingredients, but then what do you do with it and how you make that your own recipe? That's another thing. So thank you for watching. Please comment, please like, please subscribe. I publish a video every single day. We have a Patreon account with different tiers. $5 if you just want to give me a thumbs up. It's a $5 a month, and I will appreciate it. We have other tiers that you can take a look at. We have a Discord server, so if you want to discuss investing with other people that are watching my channel, this is a great way to do it, and it's completely free. So I'm going to wish you a great evening, and we are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.